Let us read the remaining portion of the poem, The Voice of the Rain. I descend to leave the draughts at me dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn, and forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, dully with love returns. Let us understand. The poem says, sorry, the rain says to the poet, I descend to leave the draughts, atomy dust layers of the globe. The raindrops pour down from above to wash away draughts and dust layers of the globe. The dust layers that had been enveloping the earth. The rain satisfies the thirst of the dry earth and heals everything that is degrading and is lying lifeless. The showers remove the dust particles and make the earth clean and green. It itself says, I descend to leave the draughts. To leave means to wash. It comes upon the earth in order to wash away the draughts. At me, that is the dust layers, the dust particles, small particles of dust layers of the globe. Globe here stands for the earth. The dust layers of the earth is washed away when the rain falls. And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. The rain here says that all that things that were in the earth might remain only seeds. They would not have germinated if there the raindrops have not fallen upon them. It is the rain that makes them sprout, that makes them germinate. So, without rain, the seeds might remain latent only. Latent means hidden. And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn, and forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin, and forever, constantly, as constantly it goes upwards, in the same way it constantly comes down also. Forever by day and night, maybe in the day, maybe at night, either day or night, and throughout the day and throughout the night, I give back life to my own origin. What is the origin? The origin are the water bodies, the land, and so the rain gives life to its own origin. The rain is involved in a continued process of giving life on the earth by providing water to dormant seeds. Dormant means hidden, latent, to dormant seeds, and making the earth more beautiful and full of greenery. Rain helps in enhancing the beauty of the earth, as in the absence of water, everything turns dull or lifeless and dust accumulates everywhere. And make pure and beautify it. The rain says that it makes the earth pure, it makes the earth green, it makes it beautiful. For song issuing from its birthplace, as a poem, a song issues from its birthplace, after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, dully with love returns. Whether it is cared or uncared, as a song is cared or uncared, it returns back to its origin. In the same way, the rain, whether people care for it or they neglect it, it comes back to its place, it comes back to its origin. The last two lines are the poet's own words and his reflections upon the answers given by the rain. The poet observes that the life of the rain is similar to that of a song. A song or a poem is creativity at its best. It has the power to calm, heal, rejuvenate, transform, and thrill. In the same way, Repeated evaporation and condensation purify the rain. The entire environment gets drenched in the rain, dust particles settle down, and there is greenery everywhere, which makes the whole earth beautiful to look at. The poet therefore draws a parallel between the rain and the music, as the both have rhythm and ability to thrill. Both of them rejuvenate and beautify life. Thank you, dear students. Now we think of the poetic devices as in this stanza. In the last stanza, you can see for song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, dully with love returns. There is a parallelism. There is a parallelism in it. The poet has drawn a parallel between the song and the rain. There is visual descriptions also. Soft falling shower, it is imagery. The rhyming scheme of the poem, we can say that it is in free verse. There is no any particular rhyming scheme. The message of the poem is that the poem gives the message of giving back to our source of origin. The rain receives life from the earth and its water bodies. It rises from the earth and forms into clouds in the sky. Finally, it falls back to the earth and its water bodies. Thus, the rain gives back life to the source from where it receives life. Dear students, we are also thinking on the same line. We should also think on the same line. We get everything from our country and we should be loyal to our country. We should be respectful to our country and we should sacrifice our everything for the well being of our country. Thank you, dear students.